Digital marketing is the practice of promoting products or services through various digital channels, such as search engines, social media, email, websites, and mobile applications. It encompasses a range of techniques and strategies aimed at reaching and engaging with potential customers online. One of the primary goals of digital marketing is to increase brand awareness and visibility online. This can be achieved through various tactics, such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and social media marketing. SEO is the process of optimizing a website's content and structure to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for specific keywords or phrases. By improving a website's ranking, businesses can attract more organic traffic and generate more leads. PPC advertising involves paying for ad placement on search engines or other websites. Advertisers bid on specific keywords or phrases, and their ads are displayed when someone searches for those terms. This type of advertising can be highly targeted, allowing businesses to reach specific audiences and maximize their ROI. Social media marketing involves creating and sharing content on social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This can include organic posts, paid ads, and influencer marketing. By engaging with customers on social media, businesses can build brand awareness, generate leads, and foster customer loyalty. Email marketing involves sending promotional messages or newsletters to a list of subscribers. This can be an effective way to reach customers who have already expressed an interest in a business's products or services. In addition to these tactics, digital marketing also encompasses other techniques, such as content marketing, affiliate marketing, and video marketing. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable content, such as blog posts, infographics, and videos, to attract and engage with potential customers. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with other businesses or individuals to promote products or services in exchange for a commission. Video marketing involves creating and sharing videos to promote a business's products or services. Overall, digital marketing is a constantly evolving field that requires businesses to stay up to date on the latest trends and techniques. By leveraging the power of digital channels, businesses can reach and engage with customers in new and innovative ways, ultimately driving growth and revenue.